What's up guys, Tay from TayWilkins.com, helping you find ways to make money online. Today I'm going to cover how you can find good and upcoming affiliate products to promote. Some of the biggest problems as a new affiliate are A, finding a good trustworthy product to promote, and B, getting ahead of other people promoting the same products and making commissions. So, jumping into it, I want to bring your attention to this site right here. The name of this site is muncheye.com. And here you can see all the upcoming affiliate products across the web. Now, the site is split into two sections. The left side over here with all the blue labels are the big launches. These products come from well-known and highly successful people in the industry. Not everybody can make it on this page. It takes a lot of successful launches and a good number of sales to make it to Team Blue. So, you can be assured that the products on this side are definitely worth promoting. Some of the names I'm familiar with are Jimmy Kim, I Am Wealth Builders, Cindy Donovan, and Aiden Booth. Jimmy Kim sticks out the most as his Build My List program is the first product I've ever used and made my first commission with. Here, take a quick look at my JVZoo account, and as you can see right here is my first commission, which was $24.50. The product sold for $49 and I got 50% in commission. Now, that doesn't seem like much, but for me, that was enough to get me motivated to start my online journey. Something to note about Team Blue's product launches is that if it's not a ClickBank launch, then you will have to get approved first in order to promote these products. See, the players on Team Blue's side are high profile and well established, and they usually only want people who they know will make them sales. In order to get access to promote these products, you'll either have to buy the product or get in contact with the person launching the product and go into detail about how you will promote their product. The best way to reach these people is through a contact email or through their Facebook page. They may even require you to do a Skype call with them, so just be ready for that. If you actually want to check out the affiliate product, then go ahead and click on the vendor's name, and there you will get a little information about the product and a link to their JV page where you can go ahead and check out the product and maybe sign up for that affiliate program. But anyway, moving on. Looking on to the right side, we have Team Gray, which is the general listing for all upcoming products. These products can be posted by anybody. Now, just because these listings aren't Team Blue means that they are bad. The people in this column either don't have the high sales figures like those over there on Team Blue, or they don't post as many launches as those a part of Team Blue does. Looking at a few names that I can see of people who really make good products are Cam Jennings, who also goes by the names Cam Fats or Zero Fats, Art Flair, and Brendan Mace. One of the good things about products on the gray side is that it won't be as difficult to get approved for these products. Now, you may still have to reach out to the person promoting the product, but again, it won't be that hard. I know with the three guys that I just mentioned a second ago, they'll approve you just as long as you reach out to them. And these three can all be found on Warrior Plus, which allows you to contact these guys directly. Again, you can use the template that I provide in the link down below. So, this solves the first problem of finding good products. Now, there's the problem of ranking and getting affiliate links out there first before everybody else. Well, luckily, Muncheye provides product launch dates, which gives you plenty of time to target specific products and start keyword planning ahead of time. Here, let me show you what I mean. So, as of this video, it will probably be posted on November 14th, and Jimmy Kim's Ecom Email Academy will be launched on the 15th. If you check YouTube for Ecom Email Academy review, you can see that the video reviews are flooding in. These YouTubers are already ranking for certain keywords pertaining to the product, which means that it's going to be way harder for you to rank your video, as you already have competition. And this doesn't just apply to YouTube videos, it also applies to website content as well. Now, let's check out this other product by I Am Wealth Builders. Their product comes out on the 27th of November. So, let's check YouTube to see if there are any video reviews for this product. Now, as you can see, I'm scrolling down and there's only one review for this product, which means that this is the perfect product to get a review out and rank for, as the competition is super low. See, the way it works is that once these products are launched, people are going to look for reviews on the product, which means that they will be using certain keywords or key phrases. So, for example, they may use key phrases like Email Academy review, or Ecom Academy scam, or Ecom Academy bonus. And they'll get a list of videos or websites talking about Ecom Academy. Now, the objective here is to be one of the first to rank for certain keywords pertaining to that product. If we go to Google and put in blog niche tools review, that YouTube video from earlier pops up, and guess what? Because this is the only piece of content ranking for those keywords, it's sitting right at the top of page 1 of Google. So when people start looking for reviews of this product, this will be one of the first reviews that they see. So what you want to do is try to avoid upcoming products close to launch and go for the ones further out. Get your affiliate links, and if you can, try to get a review copy and make your blog or video review and post it. Make sure you're ranking for the right keywords or key phrases. When it gets closer to launch, you can remind your subscribers about the review and tell them to check it out, or you can post about the launch on social media to get people interested. The aim of the game is to be on page 1 of Google search or be one of the top videos in YouTube search. Okay guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to make a quick video that will hopefully help some of you guys out. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you. But that's all from me. Like, share, and subscribe if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.